Hello, this is Seamus, N7MYW. Well, as you're probably already aware from the videos that I shot earlier today, there's 6 or 7 in all. They're just short videos. This Kenwood TS2000 needed to have the bulbs changed out. It was, of course, amber before, which is the way it comes from Kenwood, but 2 of them had burned out, and they needed to be replaced. There was a couple of options. Now, when I bought this radio, one of the things that came with it was this wonderful little kit from Hamkit.com for the TS2000 that allowed you to modify it and to put in LEDs instead of bulbs, replace those. And so with the help of Todd, KB7RQQ, thank you so much, Todd, for that. A shout out to him. And also, by the way, look up KB7RQQ on YouTube and you will see that he has a wonderful page with a lot of wonderful videos as well. So please go over there and subscribe to his and check it out. So he helped me do this. It was actually him that did most of it. I'm going to say that. I did very little other than encourage and give support and help put a couple of screws back in. That's really about all I did. So I appreciate his work and effort. So you have to tear this thing really apart in order to get to the bulbs and to pull them out. And plus there were some resistors in there that needed to be changed out due to the voltage issues. So that is what he did. It now has this wonderful blue screen instead of the amber screen before, and it should be probably decades before LEDs ever go out. Another thing that has decided to be of delight in this situation is that before I was having some issues with 2 meters. Just one day, all of a sudden, my 2 meter signals were about half what they were. The S signals were coming in about half of what it was. But I wondered what's going on inside. So I did some research and thought maybe it just needed to be cleaned up. Maybe there just needed to be some dirt pulled out of there, whatever it was. So when we got in there, the little contacts going into the sockets were cleaned. He sprayed those. We cleaned it all out. Come home, plug it in, and not only do I have this wonderful blue screen, and I could have chose green, but I went with the blue. It looks wonderful. Not only that, but 2 meters is working beautifully. In fact, I just had a wonderful Simplex conversation on 14652 with W7NY, who was flying overhead in a small little aircraft on his way to an Oregon airport. So thanks to Bill for that. I believe his call sign was W7NY. And that was a delight. We really had a good time, and I was booming in loud and clear with just the 30 watts I have. So this radio is back to working beautiful, like it just came out of the factory. And I plan on having a lot of fun with it. So just wanted to get on here and bring out that it's definitely doable if you have a TS2000. This kit, I don't have any other information other than this, but it is hamkit.com, as you can see right there. Looks like Joe W0IW. So if he happens to have a YouTube channel or a web page, I'm sure that you can get that same information from him. So I don't know him. I don't know anything about any of the company there. I don't have a dog in the fight, but I wanted to bring it out that it works great. Anyway, thank you for letting me share. I hope that you enjoyed the video and the previous short videos that I made. And if you did, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Put any comments in the comments there that you think might be relevant. Let me know what you think. And I am going to give this TS2000 another spin tonight, and definitely start working more satellites now that 2 meters is working, and use that satellite button that I don't get a chance to really use. Use it a little bit more. So I am going to say 73s. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.